close little brother, Corey. My sister she is someone who will truly stand by the people that she adores unconditionally and naturally. And Alyssa, you have been one of the closest and loving and adoring friends I've ever had. And I'm so blessed to be this close with you for 20 years.
Alyssa has been the most supportive and caring friend in my life. She is fiercely loyal and has the kindest heart. It is so hard to put into words 11 years of a truly amazing friendship and a person I cherish so much. But I am so lucky to stand by your side today. You are a wonderful friend, and I am so happy you found your happiness with Dave. I think it's fitting that Dave and Alyssa met at Disney. Disney movies are always about finding yourself and finding love.
Dave's had the amazing chance to work and do something he loves. And I came across something that I'm just going to leave you with from Frozen. When Anna says, I don't even know what love is, and Olaf comes over and says, love is putting someone else's needs before yours. Just take that every day and know that this is now something that you need to do together.
Today is a day of profound and wondrous celebration. A happy and loving marriage and partnership is the greatest blessing life has to offer. The love you share blesses not only yourselves and each other, but all around you. Thank you for welcoming all of us to stand in the presence of your love and be warmed and illuminated by it. You guys are going to be awesome. I love you both. I wish you a lifetime of love and happiness.
I believe that when you're ready for something in your life, everything will fall into place. You are the most incredible person ever. You love every person in your life so deeply. You go out of your way for people, and that's not even a fraction of what you do for my life. You always encourage me to go for it. You believe in me. You comfort me. You challenge me when I'm at a standstill. I promise to always return the love and energy you put into me. I promise to always be your #1 teammate no matter what life throws at us. I promise to take care of you when you're down. I feel so incredibly lucky that our lives crossed paths when they did. I'm excited to be a part of your family, excited for all our ventures to come, and can't picture my life without you in it. I finally get to be your wife. I love you so much. My Dave, my bear, my husband.
I knew the first time we went out. I knew at our first kiss. I knew at the first, I love you. I promise to always try to make you laugh. I promise to always hear you out. I promise to see every conversation through, good or bad. I promise to support your dreams. I promise to push you, to challenge you, how you always do for me. I promise to always make time for us. I promise to be the best teammate and the best partner I can possibly be. I'm gonna finish with a quote from one of your favorite movies. My dearest friend, if you don't mind, I'd like to join you by your side, where we can gaze into the stars and sit together, now and forever. For it is plain as anyone can see, we're simply meant to be.
Family and friends, it is my immense honor to present to you, for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Kohat.
All of the spaces we leave, closing in on us, we come alive, giving it.
I wish you guys nothing but the best. And Dave, I've enjoyed our journey getting to know each other, and I look forward to continuing that journey as brothers. I love you guys very much. So that, I would like to raise a glass to bride and groom for my favorite space opera. May the force be with you.